I'm going to be showing you how to migrate your USDC that is on the Fantom blockchain over to the BNB Smart Chain. So I'm going to be using my MetaMask wallet browser for this video. So I'll come here and open my MetaMask. So I'm going to be using this SwapKey protocol to swap the token. Now I'll come here to this browser button here. If I come back to my home page, you do well to know that I am actually on the Fantom blockchain. So I have selected the Fantom network. You can see the Fantom network is active. So I'll go back and then come over to this button here and type spooky.fi. All right, so I'll scroll right to the bottom here and look for bridge. This is bridge. I'll click on the bridge button and it will take me to my browser. When this page opens on your browser, do want to copy this link, copy link address, and come over to your MetaMask. All right, when you come to MetaMask, do want to paste the address you just copied here. All right, so paste it here and click on go, just like so, and allow it to load. Now once it loads, it will take you straight up to the app.squidrouter.com page. Now you'll be greeted with this page. What you have to do here is to connect your wallet. All right, so you click on this sign in button here and you can see I have MetaMask installed. I am actually using MetaMask, so it is why it is showing that I have MetaMask installed. So I just select MetaMask here. Right, I'll select MetaMask like this. It should connect to my wallet. So once it connects to my wallet, you'll see that my wallet is actually connected to the Ethereum blockchain here. All right, I'm connected to the Ethereum blockchain. All right, so I'll just come over here. I'll close this. Now I want to swap my tokens from the Fantom Opera blockchain. All right, so what I'll do is I'll come here, click on this button here, and I have to choose the Fantom Opera blockchain as where I want to migrate my tokens from to the BNB Smart Chain. So I'll scroll over and look for Fantom. You can see I've selected Fantom here on the list of networks. Then it is asking me what token do I want to swap. I can see I have 0.54 Fantom token. So I'll go over, I can search here, or I'll just scroll down. I'll just search USDC. All right, so you can see there's a USDC coin, a token on the Fantom blockchain. So I'll select this, all right, like so. You can see I want to swap USDC from the Fantom Opera blockchain to, I will now have to select where I want to receive my token. So I'll have to select chain here. You can see BNB Smart Chain there. Now I will come here and search for USDC. All right, you can see USDC here too. So I can choose either of this USDC. So I'll choose USDC on the BNB Smart Chain, and then I'll enter the amount of USDC on Fantom that I want to migrate. So if I have 100, I'll put in 100, and then it would go on to look for the best route for me. All right, I don't have any USDC in my wallet, so that is why it is showing this not enough USDC. All right, so if you have USDC, it will show you, and then you simply have to click on this button here to swap. This where it is showing insufficient balance here, you just click on swap and you will get your USDC. So you see the route it will take. It will have to collect my 100 USDC on Fantom and then bring it over to USDC on BNB Chain, and then do the convert or swap it to USDT, and then swap the USDT on PancakeSwap to USDC, and then I'll receive 99.98 USDC on Binance Smart Chain. So that is how to do this whole migration or swap or bridge, as I'll call it. All right, so for this video is for someone who asked for me to do a video on how to swap their token from, or migrate their token from Binance, from the Fantom Opera blockchain over to the Binance Smart Chain. All right, the same way you do this, you can select any coin here. All right, any blockchain here, and then select any coin here and bridge over to Binance Smart Chain or any other smart chain, any other chain rather. All right, so that is how to do it. I hope this serves the purpose. Do want to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not done that, and do want to just let me know in the comment section what you like me to do. If you're having difficulty with any of these apps, I'll do want to go over them and show you what or how to get around over the problem you are having. All right, so that's all for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Stay safe.